What's the meaning of blank cartridge? Blank cartridge. Blank cartridge.
Blank cartridge. Blank cartridge. A blank cartridge is a type of ammunition that does not contain a projectile or bullet, but is filled with powder or another propellant substance. Blank cartridges are often used in theatrical performances, movies, and television shows to simulate the sound of gunfire without actually firing a bullet. They are also used in military training exercises for weapons training and drill practice. The lack of a projectile in blank cartridges makes them less lethal and safer to use than live ammunition, although they can still cause injury if used improperly. In summary, a blank cartridge is essentially a modified form of ammunition that produces a loud noise and flash when fired, without the danger of a projectile.